To grant user access to Google Tag Manager, first verify you're in the proper Google Tag Manager account. Then click Admin. Here you'll see Container and Account Settings. We're going to select User Management under Container Settings. Then click the blue plus button in the top right corner. Then click Add Users. Now enter the email address of the user you'd like to add to the Google Tag Manager account. Under the email address, you'll see Container Permissions, Publish, Approve, and Edit. We're going to grant Publish access, which also grants Approve and Edit access. Then click Invite. You've successfully added a new user to the Google Tag Manager account. To remove a user, click the three dots on the right-hand side. Then click Remove Access. Finally, select Remove.